Hey guys, welcome to GreenAkers. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button below. Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing a Craftsman shop vac that I just picked up at our local hardware store. So I'm going to go through what's in the box, fire it up for the first time, see how it works, and the plan is this is going to be used in my pole barn or pole building, where I'm going to be doing a little bit of woodworking, so I'm hoping this will be a great option for picking up sawdust and various other things. Also, it's a wet vac as well, so I guess I can use it for that if it need be. So with that, we'll open her up and see what we got. This is Griffin. He's one of my little helper buddies here, so he's working with me today. So here we go. So we got the shop vac all open. Looks like I have to do a little bit of assembly here, so we'll see what that requires. So here's some of the stuff that was in. These must be like the legs, or where it sits on, I guess, and a couple of different attachments. And I'll have to see, there must be stuff inside this, I guess. There's more to the story. So inside we have the hose and some wheels and whatnot, and then it comes with the filter already installed, I guess. So that's kind of all the stuff here. So now I'm going to go ahead and get it assembled and fire it up. Alright, so I got it all assembled, and so this is the Craftsman 6 horsepower 12-gallon wet dry shop vac. Has a 2.5-inch hose, which is what I was looking for some of my tools in terms of my table saw and miter saw. Both require that for the sawdust collection. Went together pretty easy. I'm curious to see how it works. I mean, to be quite honest, it feels a little chintzy right off the bat. Just some of the stuff, I'm hoping it's gonna last, but we'll see. It has a 3-year warranty per the box. And here is the box. 3-year limited warranty. I haven't actually read the warranty. This is the model number, I believe. And then this shows what's included. So it has a 20-foot cord and a 6-foot hose that it comes with. So there it is. Now on to the fun part, to see how it works to do a little vacuuming out in the pole barn. there you have it. That was a decent amount of sawdust. So just after a first couple of uses, there's a few things that I like. I like how it rolls around real nice. So that's kind of, you can just pull it around and it slides really pretty good. And it definitely has a lot of suction power. Definitely doesn't have any trouble picking anything up, so that's pretty nice. A couple things I don't like too much. Number one, the place where you're supposed to wrap the cord doesn't really fit the whole cord, which is a little bit annoying. So the cord is nice and long, which is another plus, but it doesn't really fit around that. So I have been kind of wrapping it around the base too, which seems to be okay. And then the other thing that's a little annoying is some of these like attachments that stick on here are definitely kind of in the way at times when you're trying to use it. So other than that, it seems like it's been working well. I'll pop the top off and take a look at the filter and stuff now that we did quite a bit of sawdust there, and to see what happens with it. All right, first look after doing quite a bit of sawdust. You can see that, seems like it picked it up pretty nice. There's a little bit of junk kind of piling up around this intake area. But otherwise, I mean, obviously there's a ton of room in here, so it's nice and spacious. Could do a lot more than what I did. And then the filter, after doing sawdust, I mean, doesn't look terrible, but definitely, one of those things with sawdust and these kind of vacuums. I mean, I'll have to probably blow this out pretty regularly with the air compressor, and hoping to maybe set up a sawdust collecting system with like one of those tornado things in a 5-gallon bucket and stuff. So check out my videos if I get to that someday. We'll see. But for now, the shop vac, the Craftsman, seems to be working pretty well. I think I picked it up for about $89.99 at local stores. So, all right. Well, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to GreenAkers. Hit the like button if you liked what you saw and found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot them my way. Otherwise, thanks for watching.